In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share itinerary on Airbnb 2026, step by step. By the end, you'll know exactly how to send a clean read-only link to your trip details so the right people have what they need without you forwarding a bunch of messages. Start by opening Airbnb in your web browser or the Airbnb app and sign in to your account. Make sure you're using the account that actually holds the reservation you want to share. Once you're in, head to the Trips section. On the website, you'll find it in the top right menu labeled Trips. In the app, it appears on the main navigation bar. This is where all your current and past bookings are organized. Open the booking you want to share. You'll land on the reservation page that shows your dates, property information, and key details like check-in times. Take a quick moment to confirm it's the correct reservation, especially if you have multiple upcoming stays. Reviewing the location, dates, and guest count now prevents confusion later when you send the link. Next, look for the share option on that booking page. Depending on your device, the button might read Share or Share Itinerary. When you select it, Airbnb generates a link that points to a read-only view of your trip details. Choose the option to copy the link. This is the easiest way to send the same information to multiple people without retyping anything. Paste that link into a message to the people who need it, like family, travel companions, a driver who's picking you up, or colleagues traveling with you. Recipients will typically see the essentials they need to coordinate plans, such as dates, the general location, and once the reservation is confirmed, the exact address and check-in instructions when they're available. It's a simple way to make sure everyone's aligned on arrival times and directions. A couple of tips to keep things smooth. Share the link as soon as your plans are set so your group can arrange transportation or schedule arrivals. For drivers, add your flight number or pickup time in the same message so they can plan around your check-in window. If someone says they can't open the link, ask them to try a standard mobile browser or desktop browser, and if you don't see the share button on your side, double check that the reservation is confirmed and you're viewing the correct trip. That's all there is to it. By using the share feature and copying the link, you give the right people up-to-date trip details in one place, without exposing your account or payment information.